Hi guys, good morning. Today I will teach you how to modify APN or yung access point name on Globe Tattoo Pocket Wi-Fi na ZTE model using this ZTE link. So, to start with, again, reminders po, this tutorial is for the benefit of Smart TVPN users or subscribers or for my resellers. So, yung kakailanganin po nating SIM, pwede yung Globe ZTE, Globe LTE, TM, or pwede rin po yung kahit Globe Prepaid lang. Hindi po pwede yung Globe Tattoo for Smarty. So, to start, kailangan po na install nyo na yung ZTE link from Play Store. And, yan siya. So, to start with, dapat po i-connect nyo muna yung phone nyo dun sa pocket Wi-Fi. And then, kapag connected na, directly go to ZTE link. So, pag connected na yan, tap nyo tong bilog sa gitna. And then, magpa-pop up yung login. 'Di ba usually kapag Globe na pocket Wi-Fi, yung login password is admin lang, 'di ba? Pero kung gagamitin nyo kasi yung ZTE link, hindi papasok yung admin lang na password dun sa dashboard niya. So, gawin natin, yung gawin nyo po is look for browser and then type nyo yung 192.168.8.1. Yan. Tapos, tap nyo itong login. Dito papasok yung admin. Yan. Tapos, pag tap nyo ng login, directly pupunta siya dun sa application. So, segue ko lang, kailangan nyo pong i-edit yung data usage ng Pocket Wi-Fi to its maximum. So, just go to traffic settings, tap data, and then tap nyo yung data plan, type nyo yung, usually kasi naka 100 lang yan eh. So, type nyo yung 999, and then tap terabyte. Tapos, pag na-modify nyo na, tap save. Pag na-save na po, punta tayo dito sa, yan. Kung nakikita nyo, naka 999 TB siya. Yan. Tap nyo itong menu dito, then tap settings, tap connection settings, and then go to APN. And then tap profile. Tap nyo yung mode. Tap nyo yung manual. Naset ba yun ito manual? Tap nyo yung manual. And then, pag nag-manual na siya, kunyari, mag-change tayo ng APN. Mag-shift. Magpa-pop up yung can set default APN when the network is connected. So, back muna tayo. And then, turn off mo yung mobile data. And then, tap APN again. Then, tap mode. And then, switch to manual. And then, pag nag-pop up na yung lists of APN, actually, kapag default lang, itong dalawang to yung makikita nyo, yung My Tattoo Wi-Fi Prepaid, tsaka My Tattoo Wi-Fi Postpaid. Yan yung APN na makikita nyo dyan. Kapag bago. Pero as with me kasi, may mga nagawa na akong profile. So, demo ko lang sa inyo. Pwede po kayong actually, itatap nyo talaga yung create. And then, tap profile name. Kahit anong profile name pwede. Smarty VPN, kunyari. Kasi this is for, again, Smarty VPN users, subscribers, and resellers. And then, tap nyo itong APN. For MGC kasi, dapat yung APN is www.globe.com.ph. Yan, okay? Regardless kung anong application yung gagamitin nyo, It's either V1 or V3. Only Smarty users can relate with this. So, tap nyo yung save. Yan. Diba Smarty, ano yun? Smarty VPN. So, kapag nakapag-create na kayo ng profile or APN, tap nyo siya as, i-choose nyo siya as profile for your APN. Tap OK. And then, yung default profile mo is yung Smarty VPN na. So, pwede mo na siyang gamitin for MGC. Okay? Tapos, pag okay na, pwede mo nang i-turn on ulit yung mobile data. Don't forget kasi walang mag-run na internet connection dyan. So, pag okay na, yan, good to go na tayo. Kahit V3 or V1 yung gagamitin mo, pwede na siya. So, that would be all, guys. If ever may mga questions kayo, just feel free to contact me or PM me or comment below the video. So, have a good day, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Hindi pala ako nagbabay. Wait lang. Connect ko lang to. Para to prove na, ayan, connected tayo with V1, ha? Kasi tama na yung APN natin. Kahit naman V3. Wait, connect ko rin. Tap niyo yung MGC. Okay, that would be all. Thank you so much, guys. And have a good day. Hindi ko connect to kasi may time interval kasi na 30 seconds, diba? So, yun lang. Singit ko nga pala. If ever po na sa mga nakapanood ng videos ko, if ever na gusto niyo pong mag-subscribe for premium VPN account, you may contact my resellers or you could contact me directly kung gusto niyo mag-reseller ng Smarty VPN and earn extra income while doing this business online. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye-bye!